Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. Well, if you think you don't like leeks, I'm here to convince you otherwise. And today we're going to enjoy them with ginger, miso, and a sesame dressing. Also, the other cook sister, Adrienne, is waiting for us in her garden where she's been tending to her own garden leeks. But first, let's get cooking. There's actually not a lot of difficult preparation for this recipe. I'll begin by removing the tough outer layers of the leeks and then wash them to remove any grit. Remove the roots and then cut off the dark green tops. Leeks are in the allium family and they provide many of the same health benefits as onions and garlic. Each leek should measure about 8 inches. Rinse them well under cool running water. If necessary, cut the tips to remove any grit that might have gotten wedged in. Half fill a pot large enough to fit the leeks lying down with water and bring the water to a boil. Add the leeks and decrease the heat to medium. Place a lid smaller than the pot on top of the leeks, weighting them down so they don't float above the surface of the water. We'll let them simmer gently for 20 minutes while we make the dressing. I'll use a mini food processor to make the dressing. First, I'll finely mince a nice piece of peeled ginger. I'll add white miso, rice vinegar, and dry sherry. Blend the dressing until well emulsified. Add a little salt, some black and white sesame seeds, and finely chopped chives. Before draining the leeks, carefully remove the lid that has weighted them down. Check to make sure they're properly cooked by gently piercing them with a knife. The knife should go through easily, but the leeks should still hold their shape. I like to remove any extra pieces of leek that have floated off during the cooking process. Drain them carefully through a colander. Position them upright so they can continue to drain and cool. Once they've cooled down a bit but are still warm, transfer them to a serving platter. Smother them generously with the ginger dressing. Drizzle a little bit of good quality olive oil on top. For a yummy, crunchy topping, I like to add crispy fried onions and a sprinkling of chives. This is an allium family reunion, leeks, chives, and onions. This dish is great with baked salmon. I really hope you'll give this a try. I think you'll be amazed at how sweet these leeks are. And now, Adrienne is waiting for us in her garden.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. These are young leeks, and I'm going to tell you why you should consider growing them yourself. Stay with me. Leeks are one of the easiest plants to start from seed. In the garden, they can be planted close together. As they mature during the summer months, they often produce offspring. Replant these baby leeks for a whole new harvest. That's how you get harvests from May until November. I like my leeks about half grown. They are sweet and tender and absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me today in the garden. Hopefully this will inspire you to grow your own leeks. These are going into my lamb stew tonight. That's it for today. We'll see you next week.